And now I hand over the mic to the captain of Parivartan, Mr. Nandan Gumaste, for his address.
Good evening, friends. Good evening. कैसा रहा? Yes, it's a time to feel humble. It's a time for gratitude. Of course, this is. I had a small army of people who were helping me, along with all the HO members of Pune region as well as from the HO. So there was a huge support system that was there, and that's why all this thing could be happened. So I think the first याची चुणूक आपल्याला आपण म्हणूया, it came in the form of the manufacturing conclave, right, which we actually organized in the month of May. So May में एक जो कॉन्फ्रेंस हुआ उसमें जो हमने देखा कि अरे यार ये हमने जो सोचा था उससे बहुत अलग है, ये बहुत बड़ा है, इसका बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा है. That was the first glimpse of Parivartan that we had, isn't it? Then came the construction conclave, where in the manufacturing conclave about 250, 270 people attended. Then came the construction conclave, another milestone, another magnificent conclave, where more than 350 people attended. That was not a surprise because we have a huge contingent of people related to IT, construction, and though not so much in infra, isn't it? Then came the IT conclave. Again, किसी को पता ही नहीं था कि ऐसा conclave हो सकता है. We also had some doubts कि whether people will accept, our members will accept, visitors will accept an IT AI conclave. Okay, we knew that it was a need of the hour, but then how will people receive it? That was also something that we were doubtful about, but that was again a huge success. More than 350 people attended. Again a milestone set. जो बाकी के regions में पहले जो conference परिवर्तन के का strength ये होता था, attendance होता था, that we could do it in the conclaves, isn't it? And again a unique concept, three chapters getting together and conducting those events. So that was again a novel thing that we tried out, and it was actually to get everyone ready for the conference, which was in February, which is now getting over. So I think we have done a lot of great things in this conference. We have achieved a lot of things, and that's why I said that it is time for humbleness. It's a time for gratefulness. It's a time to acknowledge. So let us now actually thank all the people who have been instrumental in making this conference such a grand success. I deeply acknowledge the support and the help and the sponsorships given by our Nilesh Dixit sir, Netra Dixit ma'am, Rainmac and Crispy Bites. Then Pitambari, who has been a backbone of Parivartan over these years. Koti Vaskar developers. Then Panse Auto. These people have actually been already thanked properly. They have been felicitated.